Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am in my kitchen as usual and I'm doing another what I ate today video. It feels like it's been a while since I've done one of these and I've just been super busy the last couple of weeks. So today I decided I'm gonna film one and I'm super excited for my breakfast because I went to my friend's house the other day and she made us pancakes. Not sure if it's because I was hungover or what, but I was obsessed with them. They were so fluffy. She said the secret ingredient was adding like a tablespoon of flour, so I bought some flour. I'm gonna try it out. She also added a banana and I'm not sure how I feel about that because I like to put banana on top of my pancakes and I obviously don't want to eat 2 bananas, so I might half the banana and put half the banana in the mixture and put the other half on top. Indecisive. I feel like all I am in my vlogs is very indecisive. But yeah, let's make some. Oh guys, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't know that we got another little baby. And look at this. Oh my god. Hello. That is so cute. Hello boys. I am so obsessed with him. His name is Peanut, so he matches the name Oreo. We thought we'd go on the food theme. This is the first time they've actually sat together. Usually Oreo hates him. Anyway, enough about that. God, he's so little. He's sure little. Alright, let's make the pancakes. So I've blended up half a cup of oats. And then I'm going to add some baking powder, some cinnamon, vanilla extract, a tablespoon of flour, because that's how Laura said she got him fluffy. An egg, some almond milk, and maybe half a banana, and we'll see how they turn out. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. It looks amazing. I just topped it with banana, walnuts, and maple syrup. Oh, I forgot to bring over the maple syrup. Instead of using pure maple syrup today, which is what I always use, I actually bought the sugar-free maple syrup from Woolworths because that's the one Laura put on our pancakes and it tasted so good. It's not exactly the healthiest option compared to like pure maple syrup, but it's sugar-free but full of sweeteners. I don't know. It's personal preference, I guess. Like, it's not exactly healthier than pure maple syrup, but it tastes like how pancakes should taste. I don't know if that makes sense, but when you're a kid and you put like maple syrup on your pancakes, it still tastes like that, but it's sugar-free, whereas pure maple syrup like has an actual completely different taste in my opinion. But anyway, personal preference. I love both. I'll just alternate between them. But I'm gonna do a taste test to see if they worked. They look like they worked, like they look fluffy. They've been sitting out for like 10 minutes because I was taking photos for Instagram. So let's see how we go. I'm also a really awkward eater, so like, forgive me. Yum, they worked. Ah! Alright, I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. Whoa, what am I doing? I'm going to enjoy my breakfast, I should say, and I'll check back in with you guys when I have my lunch. So for lunch, I made vegetable soup the other day in my slow cooker because I bought one like a couple of weeks ago and I was so excited to use it, so I made some veggie soup. Let me sit you down. This is going to be way too heavy. There we go. So I got a big sucker of soup. It is amazing. So in the soup, I just have some carrots, sweet potato, white potato, zucchini, onion, lentils, cannellini beans, water, and a little bit of vegetable stock. I think I put like a teaspoon or a tablespoon because otherwise it's too much sodium for me. But otherwise, it's just a whole bunch of beans, lentils and veggies, and it tastes so good. So I'm gonna put it in this bowl and heat it up. I'm back in my kitchen. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm about to make some healthy biscuits, so I thought I'd put that in the vlog as well. In Australia we call them Anzac biscuits. I don't know what they'd be called anywhere else in the world, but they're basically just made out of oats and desiccated coconut and like bound together with honey or maple syrup or rice malt syrup, whatever you guys like, but they taste so good and I've just been craving them. So I'm gonna make them for you guys. I will put the recipe below if I remember. I will try my hardest. It is on my Instagram as well because I made them a couple of weeks ago and I've been obsessed ever since. Also, sorry if you can hear the oven, it's super loud because it's really old. But I've got half a cup of blended oats into oat flour. Then we're gonna add a cup of rolled oats. Perfect. You're gonna need half a cup of coconut, desiccated coconut, just probably what's left in there. I just eyeball things, guys. That's how I made up this recipe and that's how I bake in general. Then we're gonna need baking powder, whoops, just like a teaspoon or half a teaspoon, coconut sugar, probably about that much. And then we're going to mix all the dries together. Then going to add like 1/4 cup of coconut oil melted. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and probably 3 tablespoons of pure honey. I think I need my other hand for this though. And it should look a little something like this. I'm just going to pop it on a baking sheet, pop it in the oven for 15 minutes and we're good to go. So I've got my little Anzac cookies. I've also got a cup of coffee because I'm about to head to the gym after I have this and when Andy gets home from work. So I'm just going to enjoy this, chill out, watch some YouTube, get dressed and head to the gym and then we will make some dinner. Hey guys, so we are back from the gym now. What a killer workout. We're going to make some dinner. We did have chicken and sweet potato out, but I feel like I show you guys that every single what I ate today video, so I thought we'd try something else, something different. We're going to make homemade beef patties and like white potato chips, so I'm excited. Family. Alright, so we have we always get the like the leanest, that's the word, the leanest beef mince that we can get because otherwise it's got way too much fat in it. So we're just going to use half of it. We bought like the 500-gram one, but we're just going to use 250 of it. Andy's over here chopping up the chips, the spuds. He's the chip master. I don't know how he does it.
I've lost my way though. They're not turning out anymore.
Well, they used to be really good. Maybe a bit thinner, like fries.
The student is teaching the master.
Yeah, I am. Well, you just said you lost your way, so thought I'd put my 2 cents in there. Alright, and then I should probably wash my hands first of all. And then I believe you use an egg. So I got one of these. I probably should have whisked that first. I didn't think about that. Got some mixed herbs. What did you do at the gym, Andy?
Is it like an insult?
Oh no, as in like what did you train?
I did.
Is that an insult? Did you even do anything?
Mostly legs.
Really?
Until I couldn't bear the smell of the gym.
Do any of you guys ever struggle with that at the gym? Andy wanted to leave because apparently in like the weighted section it was really stinky. I was down in doing like the free weights and stuff, but
I think there's just a lot of people there when we got in.
yeah, the gym was packed tonight, weirdly enough. I feel like it's never that busy. Probably everyone trying to get their summer bods. By the way guys, when we were getting potato, does anyone else's partner do this? I wanted just 2 potatoes, like 1 each. He got 4.
And now I'm regretting one of them. I just keep...
Oh, look at Peanut.
Oh, he jumped.
Oh. What is that, a bit of flour? I don't know what the consistency is. Camera's about to die. Peace. Your face. Dinner is served. Oh my god, this looks so yummy and the house smells so good. Heck yeah. Good morning guys. So I just got home from the gym and realized that I did not end last night's vlog. Whoopsie. I thought I was gonna have dessert. I wasn't sure if I wanted to have something sweet after dinner, so I didn't end the vlog. But I didn't end up having anything because we had dinner quite late anyway. So yeah, we just had that and had showers and went to bed. So if you guys like this what I ate today video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below and press the little bell button next to the subscribe button to be notified when I post a new video. My videos haven't been doing great lately. I don't know why. They're only getting like 200 to 300 to 400 views when they used to be getting like 800-900 views. I don't know why. So if you guys did like the video, please don't forget to thumbs it up because it helps it go around on the YouTube world. And leave me a comment below. And yeah, that's enough rambling from me, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!